Okay, so welcome back to the Finance Forest. Today I'm going through Shiba Inu and covering the different aspects and the different rumors that are going around. Um, for anybody that's invested in Shiba Inu, you might have seen that there's a couple of rumors going around to say that Shiba Inu are working on a surprise to release at the beginning of this year. We're just going to go through a couple of things. We want to try and find out what that is. There's so much speculation going around, and I just wanted to cover that today for you. So we'll start off as we normally do by covering the overall market. So today it's above 1%, so 1.07% over the last day, which is great because it was down by just over 2% yesterday. We can see that slight momentum across the board, with 1 or 2% here and there on some of the top 10 cryptos. As you can see, Polkadot has got some great traction with 7% there. And to be honest, some of these cryptos out of the blue at the beginning of this year already have started making really good momentum, such as Chainlink. I know Cosmos as well has been making some good traction, and Polkadot as well. But we will cover those in another video. So in terms of Shiba, at the moment, it is a very good buying opportunity, if I'm honest with you. The current price is 0.0003402 of a dollar. So at the moment, we've got some really good buying opportunities. As you can see, over the last 7 days, we are down, which is, as I said in yesterday's video, it's quite an extraordinary dip that we do take this time of year, especially with the festive season and people selling their crypto for presents and going out and things like that. So I would take the chance now to buy some Shiba Inu if you haven't done already. We're going to go through some maths, okay, just before we get into what's going on with Shiba Inu, what surprise are we expecting and things like that. So the reason why I'm going to go through some maths is because I want to show you how good this current moment is to invest. So I've got the calculator up, and all I've done is we're going to assume that we are investing $1,000. So $1,000 divided by the price of today would get you 29,403,116 Shiba Inu. Okay, let's say, for example, we invest and we get that Shiba, then Shiba Inu goes up to the all-time high, so that's 4 zeros and an 8, so let's times that by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay, so let's say it goes up to its all-time high, then you would gain $2,352 back on your initial investment of $1,000. So as you can see, that is quite a good investment to have. You're doubling your money, you're getting your money back, and I really do think that in the year of 2022 we will surpass our all-time high. I would say it's probably going to be around May or April time, just simply because Shiba Inu and the rest of the market will take some steady momentum over the next couple of months. We won't see any dramatic changes, but it all depends on the speculation, which is Shiba Inu teases explosive surprise in 2022, tussle between bulls and bears rages on. So, as you can see from the graph that I've just previously shown, we have been going through some really tough times with crypto at the moment, but Shiba Inu's marketing team seems to be doing really well with keeping people, gaining people's attentions, keeping people occupied with Shiba Inu. There's a lot of talk as to what's going on. So we're just going to go through some key points here. So Shiba Inu revealed details of its burn roadmap earlier today. So that's a burn roadmap for 2022, as developers teased a surprise for holders. Okay, so if you do hold Shiba Inu, then luckily it seems like we're in for something good. The team behind Shiba Inu is working on the development of Shiba Swap, basically 2.0 portal, fueling a bullish narrative for the token's price. So it looks like they're going to do some upgrades to Shiba Swap. We saw that come out last year. It's very, very good, to be fair. They did a great job with it. I know there was some delays and stuff like that, but they've now assessed what the problems are, and it looks like they're going to do some upgrades, which is great. The number of Shiba Inu holders crossed 1.1 million, hitting a new milestone. So, going back to what I said earlier with the marketing team, the Shiba Inu marketing team is fantastic. They're great at gaining people's attention and, occupying that attention. So what I mean by that is they're keeping people active within the crypto, which is great. Shiba Inu whale wallet transactions recently doubled. The meme coin's price could recover from the recent crash. So, yeah, fair enough. It is defined as a meme token, but there's becoming more and more use for this crypto. And we see the likes of Dogecoin, going from a price virtually that Shiba Inu is at to, we're looking at half a dollar, if not, getting almost to $1. Sorry, I'm from the UK, so, it's slightly different. But even still, for the UK people, it's 50p almost at times, and we made some really, really good profits. But Dogecoin seems to have died down a little bit with Elon Musk, and it tends to sort of go up with whatever Elon Musk says on Twitter. But this is what I wanted to show you as well. So Bitcoin BR on Twitter basically give us a bit of a grid, a bit of a graph to look at from TradingView. So liking the pattern of SHIB is printing on the lower time frames, bullish consolidation below resistance. Once we break the flip resistance level at 45%, move towards the next point of resistance, gives a nice entry point. So even she's saying here, it's a great entry point. It's a great time to buy. Don't miss out on this, basically. Don't miss out on buying to be able to gain a profit. Okay, so what I want to know is, what do you think the surprise is? Now, personally, for myself, I don't think anybody knows except the developers, but I think there's going to be a massive burn. I think we're going to see the release of the game, which could, have a massive increase in the price. I know Shiba Inu wants to get into the gaming sort of industry. Maybe it's something to do with the metaverse. I know there's a lot going on with NFTs at the moment, and the metaverse and things like that. And there's a lot of cryptos out there for the metaverse, which is something that I'm going to cover in future videos. But I personally think it's got to be something to do with burning, some Shiba Inu to increase the token price, or essentially we could see that Shiba Inu decides to release this game and it will allow you to, earn Shiba Inu, which is most likely going to be the case, or it will have a really, really good impact on, just the crypto as a whole. It's really, really hard to tell. But I've been on Twitter and I've had a look on Twitter to see if I can find anything. But as you can see, Shiba Inu, they basically wished us a Happy New Year, which is great. And they've also said, we're honoured to be part of your crypto journey. Here's a look back in time, the many achievements over 2021. And to be fair, if you haven't watched this video, it's worth the watch because there was so much that went on in 2021 with Shiba. But for me, I want to know what you guys think it is. I think personally it's going to be either a burn or something to do with the game that they're releasing. But, it's been great, obviously, going through this today. If you didn't know about the surprise, then brilliant. Watching this video has probably done you a favour. And I hope you like the bit with the maths as well. If you invested $1,000, you get $2,352 back. That's something I want to implement in, future videos, just for entertainment purposes only. Obviously, it's not financial advice. Just a little quick disclaimer there. But no, thank you very much, obviously, for watching today's video. That's all I've got for you for today. Any suggestions, comment down below and subscribe if you did enjoy. So thank you very much for your time.